Some people think that it's okay to use old winter tires during summer because there might be some tread left. It's not a good idea. Winter tires are designed especially for cold weather and snow-covered roads. Their tread pattern, inner structures and compounds are built winter conditions in mind. While winter tires provide safety and comfort in winter, the driving style and environment during summer is completely different. On this test, you can see that when braking, the braking distance on new premium winter tire is about double compared to new summer tires. And that's just braking. You don't even want to think about how the tire acts when trying to rapidly change lane to avoid a kid suddenly running to the street. Right tire for the right season saves lives.